So I'm Lori Hansen. I'm the Director of Engineering from Johnson Space Center. And Corey?
Thank you. I'm Corey Brooker. I'm an alum, 94, 95. I currently work at Lockheed Martin on the Orion program. We have a very important test flight coming up here on December 4th. Fortunately, I was able to be here today. Our original flight plan was to fly today, and I was going to be down at the Cape and then unable to make the 100. But when we had scheduled the date of September 18th, and I found out the department was thinking about having their party on the same day, I was like, I got to do something to commemorate this flight. So for those people that don't know what Orion is, it's our human deep space exploration vehicle. Carry our astronauts further than we've ever gone before, and eventually on to Mars, asteroids, wherever we decide to go as a country and a mission to go explore deep space. So I can't see the screen, so I'm not sure what slide I'm on, but I think I'm showing a picture of the Orion and all the different parts that it's made up of. So again, you got to see it. Thank you. All right, so the next one shows you what our plan is for this upcoming mission on December 4th. We're going to do 2 orbits around the Earth. We're going to launch off December 4th at roughly 7 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. And we're going to go 2 orbits around the Earth, go highly elliptical up to 3,600 nautical miles, and come screaming back into Earth at about 20,000 miles per hour, which is about 80% of the lunar velocity return. We'll be testing out about 8 of the 11 critical systems on board Orion during this test flight. And ULA is putting us up on the Delta IV that day, Delta IV Heavy. So that mission will last roughly about 4.5 hours, and we'll come back in off the Baja California into the Pacific, much like Apollo did, and land in the water and recover the vehicle that same day. So now what chart am I on? So here is the idea, right? Everybody knows Apollo 15 was an all-Michigan crew, right? We've heard stories about the Michigan flag being flown on that flight, and you can see it today up in the gallery of the Duderstadt on the walls, along with Jack Lausma's flags and patches that he's provided to the university. So I decided I'm going to fly a Michigan flag on this Orion flight. So the picture I have up here is just a very few of our alumni that either have worked or are currently working on Orion. We took this picture down in Houston in front of one of our mock-ups. So you see the big size flag, but then the little flag above it, that's the flag that's going to be flying. And the next chart shows you a picture. So I had the Centennial patch made into an embroidery patch. You can buy it up at the department today. And we sewed that onto the flag, and then we got all the patches from Lockheed Martin, NASA, and ULA, and we also put the mission patch up there. So again, December 4th, big day for us flying this flight, and on board that will be the only university flag flying on that mission. And let me tell you, it took a lot to get that flag on. Our new program manager is a Notre Dame. Yeah. He just found out recently that it's going on. So I've gotten grief since the Michigan-Notre Dame football game for sure. So that flag is going to fly. I guess I also have to give special thanks to our business development guy who also helped me get this on. And you'll never guess what university he's from. He's a Buckeye. But he's a good guy. He's helped me get this flag on board without any hesitation. So I give him kudos for that. So we look forward to that flight. So this is what the gift will look like when I get the flag back. So this is just an example today. So we'll hang this up in the Aerospace Department as a gift from the Orion program, NASA, Lockheed Martin, and ULA to the university for their 100th celebration. And we have currently 69 alums on this list who have either worked on the program or currently do work on the program. So go blue.
So it is true that Michigan was the #1, and it was Felix Pawlowski who actually was the innovator who brought aerospace engineering and aerospace education to the U.S.